I wanna see the light.
What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. This one's actually an outfit video. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, but it was requested from a subscriber to do kind of an outfit idea video for these particular shoes. And so I said, you know what, I've worn these a few different types of ways with different outfits, so I got you girl, I got you. That's what this video is about. If you are interested to see what other outfits I came up with to go with those shoes, just keep watching. Alright everyone, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I can definitely do some more like this. If you're looking to find like spring wear or fitness wear or something with a particular shoe that you may have seen that I have, or whatever, a certain style, let me know. I definitely hook that up. This will kind of be like my background for now since I don't have any furniture, so it's lots of space. Hope you guys don't mind. Anyways, let me know by hitting that like button if this is something that you do like. Leave me some comments down below of what was your favorite outfit that I put together for you here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.